So what is up guys, good evening. Today is June 16, 2025, 8 p.m. And ito na nga no, ito-tour tayo ng Bini sa kanilang bus no. I think super exciting kasi first time nila magtutour no sa kanilang vehicle. I think ayun, kakaiba no, parang nakita ko yung mga picture, meron pa mga bunk beds na basta ang gulo-gulo nila, something like that. So yeah, pause ko na muna no. We are T-minus 50 seconds. So yes, 7 seconds remaining. Okay, it's showtime.
Hi guys! Hi everyone! We're here in
New York. Okay.
Yeah, you can see the
Empire State of New York.
And ito talaga yung view ko from the front.
Yung bus nila.
It's our bus!
Walang sticker. Dapat merong sticker para ano,
Here,
free marketing.
and then dito yung driver. And for more privacy, meron munang door bago talaga sa aming bus. Para naman hindi kami nakikita kasi we're all girls here. And when you open it, oh,
Si Stacy.
ayan. It's like that. And then you're inside. Ooh, okay, go Mix, take it over. Okay.
Take it over.
So this is the living room. Uy! Where are you?
And this is Stacy.
So, ayan po, we have the remote here. And then this is
The window.
window where we can open it anytime we want. This is Miss MQ right there. And then we have these lights. The aircon looks like this. Maliit siyang ganito. They have these
Eh, nasa gilid, no? Galing.
corners. And then the drawers. What's this? Ah, this is like a compartment. Yeah.
Compartment ng ano?
Meron aircon dyan sa baba ulit. And then, meron dito, yung mga cabinets nila. It's,
Ay, ang ganda, parang airplane.
you know, yung parang very
Yung sound effect,
gumagalaw.
parang nasa langit.
Like, hindi siya basta-basta magbubukas.
Nakakatawa yung sound effect.
Here. And then, there's a drawer here. Dito ka na usually, oh! This is where we keep our merch.
Bakit siya nagulat?
Nila yung merch. Isa pa. Boom! Okay. And ito na yung extended version. But when
Ang
we're
extended.
moving, usually mas nagiging tighter pa siya. But it's
Anong
very-
tighter?
It's very good. You know what I'm saying? Now, Stacy is
Nagbabago yung size, ganun.
kitchen. Hello. It's me. So, this is the kitchen. Ta-da! Ayan.
Wala, bakit ganyan yung salamin?
Hugas ng mga kamay namin. Yan. Dito rin kami nagtutoothbrush, wash ng face, and may mga tissue, may sabon, napaubos na alcohol, and meron kaming big tissue, mga table napkins, and coffee maker. And dito naman sa taas, makikita yung mga
Ano yung napkin ba yun? Ba't naka-censored?
pasong gamit. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yan. Thank you so much
Bakit naka-censored?
for the foodies. Dito naman yung mga baso, yung mga vitamins, gamot, mga paper bags na pwede gamitin. Ayun, and dito naman mga drawer. Yan, mga food ulit, mga sweet, mga gummy bear. Mahilig kami kasi sa mga matatamis.
Ba't naka-censored?
Dito din sa baba. Sa baba. And sa naman din mga spoon.
Ah, baka kalaban siguro ng mga ini-endorse nilang brand.
Tira dito for 5 years. And basurahan.
So, ito naman ay ang aming, what's this?
What's this? Lamesa?
Ito yung parang mini office namin. O minsan dito na kami kumakain kasi medyo close naman siya sa aming sofa. So, meron ding, paano ba to?
Blinds. Window blinds.
Window dito. Ayan, kung gusto mo ng view. And may tao dito, katukin natin.
Maloy.
Ayan.
Kasi Aya.
I've been waiting for this time. I've been waiting so long here, guys. Hello, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a tour.
Tour of the CR.
You can see.
Tour of the CR. Okay, sige.
Looky. This is the banyo.
Eh, walang water, ano, no? Walang water tank yung ano.
Mirror here. Tapos we have lights.
Very unusual.
Ayan.
Di ako sanay ng, ano,
May nakalagay na label. Sabi na,
nakakita ng inidor na walang water tank.
this is where you do number 1. You can only do number 1 and not number 2 because it's not allowed. And
Ah, ihi lang.
flush it. You press this thing.
Ihi lang ang pwede.
See?
number 2, and a number 3, and then we have our little trash bin here. So, if ever you want to put some cleaning supplies, you can put it in 1, 2, and 3 compartments. Okay. After that, we have
Ano yung tulugan nila?
here.
Ref.
Ganito siya mag-open, guys. So, up, and then,
Bakit?
yan. So, as you can see, we have a bunch
Bakit ganun?
of Coca-Cola.
Ay, sponsor nila, Coca-Cola.
So, this is very crucial. Kailangan talaga na i-push siya. Kasi, if hindi siya naka-close, never know, maybe it might open and then the drink will roll over the floor without releasing it.
Yan na, kwarto na. Si Mika. Ay, si Maloy. Si Maloy. Si Joanna. Diyos ko, ano yun?
That's how I wake up in the morning.
Oh my God.
Myself and
Well, sa bagay, mas practical, mas mabilis.
so itong bunk beds naman, meron siyang 3 layers. So the first layer, the second
Grabe, claustrophobic.
floor, and the third floor. So meron dito curtains dito sa first floor. Yan, nasa second and third floor.
So,
Meron din siyang ilaw, pero ito yung bed ko, guys. This is my bed.
6-12 beds, no?
Bambi.
Bambi, tatandaan ko yan.
Since medyo mahaba naman yung bed, pwede ka maglagay ng gamit pa sa paanan mo. Since ito na nga.
Ah, talaga, ano yung height ng bed? 2.1 meters.
Second floor eh. So,
Yung length pala.
third floor.
Wait lang.
Curious ako, paano kaya ito ina-apply
Oo nga, bakit walang hagdan?
sa atin?
Ah, si Maloy. Ay, dedewo ni Maloy. Sige, gusto ko yan.
O, paano ka bumababa at umaakyat dyan since nasa third floor ka? Yung kailangan malayo yung pan. Okay, wait lang.
Ay, ang galing.
Wait. Okay, go. Hey, so talented!
Paano naman umakyat?
Go up.
Ah, ganun din. Matapa ka. Diyos ko, ano yan? Ah, okay, ganun pala, no? Matapa ka dun sa second floor.
Sobrang convenient dito sa taas.
Kasi bakit walang harang? Baka mahulog sila pag natutulog.
Nasa ano, nasa...
Nasa tuktok ng mundo. Well, at least merong aircon.
Isa lang ako ma-feel ko na tall ako. So, I chose this bed. That's it, guys. Go there. Okay. Pakita mo yung carpet natin. Oh, yes. May carpet kami, guys.
Okay, modern carpet, no?
What's your problem? So, after nitong kay Ate Maloy
Lang kalat.
at Ate Gwen.
Nai-stress ako.
So, this is our, what we call this?
Sofa? Tote bag?
Or ano ba? Entertainment area.
Living room.
Sige nga, entertain mo nga ako. Dito yung mga regalo ng Blooms. Sinort na natin.
Ah, okay. Kaya pala.
Thank you sa mga gifts nyo. Ayan sila. Dito na namin nilagay kasi walang ibang paglalagyan.
Bakit walang cabinet sa loob?
Dito ako natulog nung first day ng ilang oras lang kasi busog na busog ako and takot ako sa suka. Actually, hindi naman ako sukahin pag nagbaba. Sanay naman ako. Sadyang pagbusog lang ako, praning ako. At takot ako sa fact na susuka ako. So, I cannot afford to risk it. Okay, that's it. And this is the view from here. Look at
So, 12 beds, no?
Grabe. Dito si Miss MQ. Nandito si Miss MQ nung nakita na si Joanna dyan. Siguro na gumagapang or doon.
Saan napunta si Miss MQ?
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Okay, turn this up. Okay.
Okay naman. Ang reklamo ko lang bakit walang sticker yung bus. Bakit walang QR code, no? Dapat may sticker ng Bini nyo. Nandun yung mga mukha nila. May QR code ng Instagram nila, di ba? And ng Facebook page nila. So, ayun. Wasted opportunity sa marketing, no? And ang reklamo ko, walang harang yung third floor na kama ni Maloy. Baka mahulog siya kapag natutulog siya. Yun lang yung mga reklamo ko. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.